For those of you that have been following my channel for a very long time, I know you must have heard from me countless times, seen my update on Witty Arbitrage. Yes, for me to be talking about this project for more than 2-3 years right now, you know this is a very great, amazing project that anyone should not miss out. Now, this project actually launched their arbitrage and their multi-currency trading platform just about a few days ago. You know, many of you have been messaging me, asking me, when are these guys going to list? When are these guys going to be listed? When are these guys going to launch? Now, these guys are fully launched, and right now, a lot of guys are trading on this platform and they are making cool money for themselves. Now, this is never a financial advice. I'm only giving you the recent update about these guys, right? So now I will guide you through the simple step-by-step guide on how to start using this Witty platform. Now, this guy got a lot of amazing products on their platform. They have the copy trading, they have the crypto arbitrage, they have the multi-currency. They also have other great projects, great products that until when you join, you will really see them for yourself. So I will try to make this video very short. What I will teach you right here is just for you to understand how this platform works. I might need to make even much more video for you to really understand fully how this platform works, but I will try to guide you through step by step, and I will make it very, very short. You might need to join my social media platform, most especially the Telegram, the WhatsApp, and also from there I will give you their official Telegram channel so that you can see everything and how this platform works. Okay, so guys, let's get started. All right guys, this is how the Witty interface looks like when you visit wittytech.io. This is how it's going to look like. You see right here, move money, trade smarter, scale globally. So one after the other, I will explain to you exactly how you can use this Witty Web3 project. I'll just touch them one after the other. So this video is going to be very, very brief. Okay, so I just want to walk you through the interface. So let's start with the Witty Pay. So for the Witty Pay, that is what you can see right here, Witty Pay. For Witty Pay, we have cross-border payment for global commerce. So right here on this Witty Pay, there are a lot of opportunity right here. You can actually send payment to every part of the world seamlessly without any delay. I'm talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of pounds, euro, any currency of your choice that is supported on Witty platform. So far your country is available right there, then you can send money to those countries within a very short period of time. Your money is sent to any part of the world without any stress. So right here on this Witty Pay, we have the supplier payout, multi-currency settlement, cross-border treasury movement, we have global payment corridors. So that is for the Witty Pay. Second one on the list, we have this one right here that says Witty Trading. So right here on this Witty Trading, you can see right here, unlock liquidity with AI driven arbitrage and predictive signal, right? And right here we have more option. Right here on the more option, we have arbitrage trading, we have predictive trading, we have copy trading. That is for the Witty Trading. And the last on the list, we have the Witty Business. On this Witty Business, right here on this Witty Business, what we have on the Witty Business is actually mainly for importer and exporter. So for those of you that you are into importing and exporting, this is best for you. With this, you can actually carry out a seamless importing business and exporting business without any delay, without any issue. Okay, so right here, more option on the Witty Business. More option on the Witty Business. We have inventory tracking, we have supplier management, we have RFQ automation, we have trade operation infrastructure. That is for the Witty Business. So right now, I want to navigate through each of every one of these particular product that is available on Witty, and to do that I will click on this three line right here. So when I click on this three line right here, you are going to see we have the Witty Pay, we have the Witty Trading, that is Witty Pay right here, Witty Trading, we have the Witty Business, and I forget to make mention of the Witty Affiliate. So this affiliate, Witty has a lot of opportunity for those of you that are promoting, for those of us that will be promoting the Witty product. They have huge affiliate program, affiliate bonuses for every one of us. Okay, so like I said, I'm still going to be making much more video about this Witty project, so I'm not going to be making this video to be too long at all, okay, because I want everyone to actually watch this video from beginning to the end. So now let me navigate through the Witty Pay. So right now I just click on the Witty Pay. So right now this is how the interface, the home page of the Witty Pay is going to look like. Cross-border payment built for modern global commerce. So right here, when I click on get started, I'm going to be asked to enter my login details right here. Okay, so this is how the Witty Pay is going to look like. So right here, if you can see, we have the NGN, we have the Kenyan shilling. So this is how the simplicity of the Witty Pay is looking like. Like from Nigeria, you can send money to Kenya. From Kenya, you can send money to Ghana. From Ghana, you can send money to South Africa. And that is how it is globally. Okay, so that is the main purpose of the Witty Pay. Okay, so now let's talk about the trading opportunity right here. Right, that is the Witty trading. I don't want to log into my account because if I do that, this video is really going to be taking a longer time, and I don't want that. Okay, so this is how the Witty Pay is going to look like. Right, so the next one, we have the Witty trading. So right here on Witty trading, this is where you will access everything related to trading right on the Witty project. Okay, so right here you can see on the Witty trading, we have AI that find profitable P2P path. Okay, so this AI actually guide you and tell you when to trade, where to trade, and the merchant you should trade with, and they will calculate the estimated profit you are likely to make before you even jump on any trade. Okay, so right here on this Witty trading, we have the P2P, we have the arbitrage, and also under the arbitrage we have the predictive trading, and we have the main arbitrage trading. Okay, so this is how the Witty project works, and there are a lot of more products on Witty project. I'm just giving you some tips of an iceberg just for you to really understand what Witty project got in stock for us. So like I said, use the link right on this video description to create an account for yourself, or join all our social media platform and ask me more about Witty project. Also, I'm going to be giving you the official Telegram channel of Witty, so that when the CEO is having a meeting with us, or when you want to ask one or two questions, so you can always ask a question on anything you do not understand, and there are a lot of Witty community members that are ready to respond to you. So this is an open platform that anyone can actually ask questions, discuss more about Witty, and you will see how thousands of people are taking an advantage of this Witty project to earn some passive income for themselves. And I don't want any of you, my subscribers, to be left out as well. Okay, so like I said, this platform supports a lot of countries. Just this area alone, this is just an example of countries that are supported by Witty project right here. That is on the Witty Pay, and also for the Witty P2P trading, for the multi-currency trading, and also for the Witty arbitrage. We have the NGN, the SWAF, the Euro, the Kenyan shilling, USD, UGS, and many more of them. Just see them for yourself right here. See them right here for yourself. So this is what I can show you at this time about Witty project, about Witty arbitrage. I think you have to join my social media platform so that you can know more about these guys. So in my next video, I'll be carrying out a live trade right on this particular Witty arbitrage, and you will see exactly how it works. So before I forget, you can use the link right on this video description to register for yourself on the Witty arbitrage, right? Or ask me in the comment section that you need their link to register if you are not seeing it on the comment section, or if you are not seeing it on the pin message, and if you are not seeing it on the description, just ask me. I will send it to you directly. Okay, so guys, you can see this video right here and see this one right here to learn more way to make money right in the crypto space. Bye for now, guys.